Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Today, we're going to talk about AI tools, what they are, why they're so important, and how you can leverage them to work smarter and faster in 2025. Whether you were a student, developer, marketer, or content creator, understanding AI tools is essential for staying ahead. So, what exactly are AI tools? Simply put, AI tools are software or platforms powered by artificial intelligence that help you perform tasks more efficiently, make smarter decisions, or automate repetitive work. Unlike traditional software, AI tools can learn from data, make predictions, and even assist you creatively. Let's take a practical example. Imagine you're creating content for a blog. Normally, you would spend hours researching, writing, editing, and optimizing. But with AI tools, you can generate draft content, suggest improvements, optimize for SEO, and even create images, all in minutes. These tools don't replace you. They enhance your capabilities and save time. There are different types of AI tools depending on the tasks you want to accomplish. Some AI tools focus on writing and content creation, like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy AI. Others help with image and video generation, like DALL-E, MidJourney, or Runway. Then there are AI tools for automation and workflow, such as N8N, Zapier, or Make, which let you connect apps and automate tasks without coding. For developers, AI tools go even deeper. Tools like LangChain or Llama Index help integrate AI models into applications. AutoGPT and Baby AGI allow you to build autonomous AI agents that can complete tasks on their own. Even platforms like Microsoft Copilot and Google Vertex AI provide cloud-based solutions for AI-powered apps. The key to using AI tools effectively is understanding their strengths, limitations, and integration possibilities. For example, some tools excel at generating creative content but may not be perfect for precise technical writing. Others are great for automating repetitive workflows, but need proper setup to avoid errors. As a learner or professional, focus on experimenting with multiple tools, seeing what works best for your use case, and combining them intelligently. Another important aspect is trending AI tools. In 2025, some of the hottest tools include ChatGPT custom GPTs, MidJourney 6.0 for advanced image generation, Runway Gen 2 for video creation, AutoGPT for autonomous agent tasks, and N8N for AI workflow automation. These tools are evolving rapidly, so staying updated can give you a competitive edge. For beginners, the best approach is to start small. Pick one AI tool that fits your needs, learn its features, and practice integrating it into your daily tasks. As you gain confidence, explore more tools and discover ways to combine multiple AI tools to achieve complex goals efficiently. In short, AI tools are not just a trend. They are practical, high-impact technologies that enhance productivity, creativity, and problem-solving. By learning how to use them effectively, you can stay ahead in your career, automate tasks, and even create projects that were impossible a few years ago. That's it for today's topic on AI tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments which AI tool or workflow you want me to cover next.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learnetguide.net.